traits are positivity, dependability, punctuality. Also, I make a good pot of tea. Okay, that pun was dumb. My greatest weakness, my friends call me panic button. Sometimes I get panic attacks, like I just can't relax, or it feels like the sky is falling from a sinking feeling that I can't control. So I start bawling, 'cause I'm bad at concealing my inner soul. But it won't affect my work, I just go momentarily berserk. I'm just a panic button from generalized anxiety disorder, GAD. Oh my God, it's not so bad, you'll see. I mean, I have to avoid a trigger, so I don't jump around like Tigger. I worry about bills and the rent, and I binge on food when discontent. And I can't trust people since I was bullied as a kid, or I worry they'll abandon me like my best friend did. And sometimes I'm an insomniac, or worse, a hypochondriac. If I have the smallest cough or sneeze, I think I've Legionnaire's disease. At times I'm overwhelmed, but it would be worse if I didn't have my happy pills in my purse. Oh, I can start in a few days. I was afraid I wouldn't hear back after I listed the ways I would enter a panic attack. Thanks for your time, I can't wait to be working for you. And I swear I will glue my panic button. It'll be stuck down.